Meaning of FAQ.
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 FAQ. The acronym FAQ stands for Frequently Asked Questions. It refers to a list of common questions and answers related to a particular topic, product, or service that is often provided by organizations or businesses on their websites. The purpose of an FAQ is to help users quickly find answers to their questions without having to contact customer support or search through multiple sources. By providing clear and concise answers to frequently asked questions, an FAQ can save time and improve the user experience.